Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to take a full screenshot and specific element using our Selenium shell. Okay. For this, I have written in this particular code. I'm going to start that. Okay. We can see for one by one. This I'm going to take one particular one purpose. Okay. First, I'll take one path and I'll store specific element purpose. I'm storing this one and full path. First, we'll see the full path. Then we'll see for next. Okay. Specific element. Then I'm saving this one and I'm going to make for iWeb element because I'm storing for before and next time without wasting our time. Just I'm going to make quick. Okay, find element and by dot a name, and then I'm specifying the name of that particular element and save. Okay, we are able to save that one. Now we are going to see for full screenshot. Now how to take the full screenshot? There is a method called I take screenshot. Okay, this particular function can take a reference of driver. Okay, this is basically it will take as a screenshot. After taking the screenshot, we need to convert that into image form. Okay, that we need to take into image format. How you can able to convert into image format? There is a method called a get screenshot. Okay, get screenshot. This particular function can convert into image format, and we need to store this entire into one particular format, right? For this we have a method called screenshot. For this screenshot you can able to use for screenshot object and equal everything, it is stored into here now. Okay, now I'm going to use it here, string file path. Okay, file path is equal to, and I'm going to specify my file path. Okay, I'm going to take the direct path. Okay, now this is my path of this particular file, and the last I'm going to use it double forward slash and full, full image dot png. Okay, this is my file. Okay, and I'm going to enter here, and I'm storing my entire information into here. Okay, now after that we need to save this entire screenshot into file form, image format, right? For that we are going to take the screenshot object dot save as a file, save as a file with the passing as an argument as a file path. Okay, once you pass, the file path will be stored. Okay, now I'm saving this one, and again I'm going to click here and I'm going to run this particular file. Now if you expanding, there is no screenshot here, specific screenshot. Okay, after expanding, and it will take the screenshot of that, and you can able to see the screenshot inside the code as well. Okay, see the full image. If you click, see your full image is presented here. Okay, okay, and now you can close this one. Now after taking the screenshot, we need to take the uh, specific element, right? The specific element taking purpose, we required for one particular driver to be installed. If you are not installed that particular driver packages, then your script will not be work to that. Okay, there is a tools. Go to Nugget package manager, and then package manager console. Here, I have already installed a package name called this one. Install package system drawing common. Okay, I'll copy show that here. This is the package. Okay, if you use this particular one, automatically it will come and sit. Okay, once you done this particular one, to save this one, and then we can able to use into our coding format. Okay, now we can see our coding format now to hit this one. Okay, specific element purpose using bitmap full image equal to a new bitmap, and then we need to give the file path. Which file path we are using to convert as a full screenshot, that particular one we need to specify because it need to read from there itself. Okay. Now we need to get that where location is equal to element which we are taking the element. This is the one. Okay. This element dot location, and this location will take that particular location where size equal to element dot size. Okay, we are going to take the element of the size. Okay, then we need to use another function like using. Okay, again bitmapper and element image is equal to a full image, which is the object we have used here, right? That full image dot clone. We are cloning that image. Okay, after cloning image, what we are going to do, we are going to get that new rectangle rectangle. Okay, and here location dot x comma location dot y, then size dot width, and size dot height. Okay, now we are able to take this one. Okay, then we are going to take for this after that a comma, then we are going to use for full image again, full image dot pixel form. Okay, pixel form, and then we are using for curly braces. Okay, and inside that we need to use that string where we need to use that particular element into storing purpose. Okay, again I'm taking this path and I'm applying. Okay, and I'm going to use one element image. Okay, element image. Okay, this I'm storing here. Store the local variable element string. Okay, element string. Okay, now we can able to enter here. Okay, now my element image this one. Okay, dot save save. I'm saving my element path. Okay, this is my element path. It will take as a one particular file, that is a file path. Okay, now I'm taking into a file here, and then I'm closing here. Okay, now everything I'm saving again. Okay, I'll run whether now it will work as expected or not, we can see. I also trying for the first time because this is the like one kind of experience purpose. I tried this one now. Okay, now it is done. Yeah, past one. Yeah, you can see subject image is presented. Okay, we are able to take that specific element by using this format. Okay, this is the way we can able to uh, take the specific element. Okay, this is a full screenshot and this is my specific screenshot. Okay, in case if you want to change that names every time, okay, that time what you can do, right? See, most of the time also it is giving that specific element. Okay, and here you need to change the time. I can get the time for the current date, and then you can use the plus symbol, and there you can specify that date and time. Then automatically it will work out. Means every time it will not override. It will take for every time new. Okay, I hope it this entire information is for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.